In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage collections in Shopify using the debut theme. Collections are a fantastic way to organize your products, allowing your customers to easily browse by category, such as shirts or accessories. This can greatly enhance the shopping experience on your site. Let's get started with creating a new collection. Begin by logging into your Shopify admin. Once you're there, navigate to the Products section and find Collections. This is where all your current collections are housed and where you can organize new ones. Click on the Create Collection button, and you're off to the races. The first thing you'll do is fill in the title of your collection. This is what your customers will see, so make sure it's clear and representative of the products it contains. There's also an option to add a description. While this is not compulsory, a good description can offer your customers insight about the collection they're viewing. It's a great space to add any unique selling points or details that could entice shoppers. Next, you'll choose the collection type, which can be either manual or automated, sometimes known as smart. A manual collection requires you to add products individually, which can be useful for curated selections. On the other hand, an automated collection operates through specific rules you set up. For example, you can have a rule where the product tag equals shirt, or another where the vendor equals brand X, or even filter products by price, such as those priced over $20. This automation can save a lot of time and is great for larger catalogs. You'll then have the option to add a collection image. While this is optional, it definitely adds to the visual appeal of your site, giving customers a quick visual cue about what's in the collection. Setting the sort order is your next step. This determines how products appear within the collection. You can arrange them manually, or you can set them to display by best match, price, or other criteria. The right sort order can make browsing easier and more logical for your shoppers. Don't forget about sales channels. Make sure your collection is available on the channels where you want it shown. Usually this is your online store, but adjust according to your specific needs. Once you've tailored everything to your liking, click Save. Now let's talk about displaying these collections using the debut theme so customers can actually see them. To feature a collection on your homepage, navigate to Online Store, then Themes, and select Customize to open the customizer for the debut theme. Look for or add a featured collection section. This is integrated into debut. Choose the collection you want to feature here. You can also adjust the layout, decide how many products are shown, and make other tweaks to align it with your store's aesthetic. Finally, remember to save your changes. Now, your collections are not only set up, but are also prominently displayed for easy customer access. Happy selling!